Today I have with me Siddharth Garg, who's a professor at New York University. Straight off the bat, we can say that India is way behind US and China as far as AI research is concerned. They've been growing, but already that growth is flattening, right? Which is very concerning.
You will not realize how much people are suddenly going back to the questions that you were asking in your research and saying, oh, can we use evolutionary computing for analog circuit design? Your paper and your thesis and so on is going to inspire a lot of stuff in the future.
So are we seeing a feedback loop here in the future where, AI is making more powerful chips is making more powerful AI, and, as some people say, this will create superhuman AI which will dominate humans.
There are clear potential harms that we have to protect against. So I tend to think of things empirically, quantifiably, what can I quantify as a harm right now and what can I do about it?
Quote unquote nuclear power is owned by private players.
Look, at the end of the day, if I'm building my application on top of, let's say, ChatGPT as an example, then much of the money is flowing outside India.
And Chinese have shown that you can keep going up the ladder, creating new metrics as you do well.
So talent pool exists, know-how exists. I think we should encourage a proliferation of startups in the design space, in the silicon design space. Right?
What did you do to become Popular Science Brilliant 10?